Hello student, in this video we will study lesson number 7, landforms. Landform means natural features of the earth surface. Means in this lesson we will study about the surface of the earth. Our first topic is physical features. The earth is covered with land and water. The land is not the same all over the world. It is high at some places and deep in some places. Some places are near a water source, others are not. These features are not made by humans, they are made by nature. The natural features on the surface of the earth are called physical features. A landform is any special physical feature on the surface of the earth. There are different kinds of landforms on our earth. Means our land is not same everywhere. At some places there are high mountains, some places are near water body, and some places are far away from water body. All these differences are not man-made. These are natural. These natural features of the earth are known as physical features. Let us explore some of these landforms. We will study about some of the landforms here. See, first one, plain. A plain is a level land which is flat or gently rolling. It is easy to build roads, houses and buildings on the plains. That is why plains are the most heavily populated parts on the earth's surface. Plains near rivers are very fertile and suitable for growing crops. For example, the plains of the river Ganga in India are very fertile. Means plains are the flat surface of the earth. It is quite easy to construct roads, buildings, factories on the plains. Because of its features, plains are heavily populated all over the world. Plains near river are very fertile. As the rivers flooded, the lands around them became fertile. For example, we can see river Ganga in India. Next point is hill. You must have heard about people going to hill stations during their summer vacations. A hill is a naturally raised area higher than the land around it. Hills are much higher than the plains, so they have pleasant weather. Generally, hills are up to 600 meters high, but they may differ in height. Hills which are very high receive snowfall in the winters. Many hilly areas have thick vegetation and orchards. Since they have pleasant weather, many hills have become popular tourist spots. Shimla and Ooty are examples of famous hill stations in India. As the heat increases in the plains, the temperature up the mountains decreases. This is the reason why people prefer to go hill stations. During summer season, very high hills receive snowfall in the winters. Many hilly areas have fruit trees or orchards. Shimla and Ooty are famous hill spots or hill stations in India. See our next topic, mountain. A mountain is a landform that rises high above the surrounding land. Mountains are made from rocky land and are higher and steeper than hills. In fact, a mountain is the highest landform on the earth. Generally, mountains are higher than 600 meters. The surface of the earth that rise high above the surrounding land is known as mountain. Mountains are made of rocky land and are higher and steeper than hills. So, we can say that mountains are the highest landforms on the earth. Normally, mountains are higher than 600 meters. Mountains are also found at the bottom of the sea. See next paragraph. The side of a mountain is called a slope. As you can see in the given picture, side of the mountains, some mountains have sloping side and some have steep sloping side. Top of the mountain is known as summit or peak. Mountains may have steep or gently sloping sides. The top of the mountain is known as a summit or peak. The high mountain peaks are always covered with snow. Very high mountain slopes are also covered with snow and have very little vegetation. Trees that grow on the mountains are very special as they can survive in the snow. The high mountain peaks are always covered with snow. For example, Himalaya. In comparison of plains, mountains have less vegetation. The vegetation that grow in mountains have special features to survive in cold. The top of these trees are pointed. For example, Christmas tree. Listen the video carefully and revise it. Rest part of this topic we will study in the next video. Thank you.